Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing 4 free tools you can use to find keyword search volumes. Let's get started. The first tool is Free Keyword Generator by Ahrefs. You can access this tool by going to this link. This tool is quite simple. You just need to enter your keyword and from here you have to select the platform for which you want to find the keyword search volume. For example, for Google, Bing, YouTube and Amazon. You just have to type your keyword here. For example, I type digital marketing, and then from here you have to select the country for which you want to find the search volume. Let's change it to United Kingdom, and now simply click on Find Keywords. Now you can see the search volume for this keyword is over 10,000 in UK, and this tool also gives you more suggestions related to your seed keyword. I'll also share the link of this tool in the video description. Next up we have Keyword Search Volume Checker by SEMrush. Again, this tool is free and you have to enter your keyword here. Let's type digital marketing again and click on Get Search Volume. And it will tell you the keyword search volume in the US, which is 165,000. And if you want to check the global search volume and search volume in other countries, then you have to register. The third tool is Word Tracker. Here again you have to enter your keyword. Let's enter the same keyword again. Click on search. From here you can change the country. Let's keep it United States and it will tell you the search volume here. This was our keyword and here's its search volume. And it will also show you keyword search volume for related keywords as well. The fourth tool is searchvolume.io. Here you can write the keyword, select the country from here, but it gives you a limited number of countries. Let's say I want to check the keyword search volume in Germany. Let's select Germany and click submit. So you can see the search volume of digital marketing keyword in Germany is 12,100 per month. This is average monthly search volume. You can use this tool to find keyword search volume for multiple keywords. You can add up to 800 keywords at a time to find their search volumes. Let's quickly generate some keywords to see how it works. Let's type digital marketing in this tool to find the related keywords. Click on add all. Let's copy them and paste them here. Let's change the country to United States. Click submit. And here you can see the search volume of all the keywords. So each tool has its own benefits. Like these two tools gives you the search volume of your main keyword or seed keyword and also suggests you related keywords. This tool as well. And the keyword tool by SEMrush gives you the search volume of your keyword in United States. And this tool can help you find the search volume of multiple keywords at a time. So these were the 4 tools you can use to find keyword search volume of any keyword. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.